All right, hello class. How are y'all doing today? Doing great. So I'm gonna point out I'm a little injured today, so I'm gonna need more of your help. A lot of demonstrations are gonna be all by you, and cleaning up, it's on you guys. I trust you. So last class we were doing some basketball. Now we're gonna transition to like a baseball kind of football thing. It's called overhand throw. It's used in many sports. Anyone seen Tom Brady throw? Yeah, that's an overhand throw. So that's what we're gonna be working on today. Um, So, basically what we're going to be doing is we have these squares. They should be color coded. There's like the green and blue, there's the yellows, there's orange. I want you guys to get into groups of three, or sorry, everyone line up on a cone with a pair. You only need one ball per pair. And when I say go, you're going to line up on those cones and throw back and forth. But first, let me show you how it's done. Who wants to help me? Scott does? Awesome. Scott, you want to go line up on that cone? So we got our cues here. As you can see, got scratch the back of the head. That's winding up. You want to scratch the back of your head. And you step with your opposite foot for that power. And then you want to aim ahead, aim to your target. And aim ahead will be for a lead pass. We'll get to that later. And then follow through. So it looks like that. And I'll show you. Scott, you want to do it? Yep, scratch, step, follow through. Everyone understand? All right, grab ball, grab partner, and line up on a cone. Go. Yeah, you're loud. If you don't, you can just do a group of three. Yep. Just throw back and forth. Perfect. Good step, Jimmy. Tyler, come on. So, you kind of stepped with the wrong foot. You step with the opposite, so when you come up, you want to step with your left foot and then throw. Yeah, there you go. Just like Jacob. Good job. Yep. Mhm. There you go. That's how you step, Hannah. Good step. Yeah. Perfect. Yep. Ooh. What was a side throw? Back of the head, over the shoulder, and through. Yeah, there you go, Nick. Good job. Yep. There we go, guys. Oh. Jordan, step with your opposite foot, not the same foot. No, Jordan. There you go. That's how you do it. I did call her Jordan. Sorry. I've done that like 3 times. I'm a terrible teacher. Okay. All right, guys, hold the balls. So now we're going to go do a lead pass. I want everyone to get in groups of 3s on the cones, and then there will be one group of 4 over here. Get in the groups. Actually, no. Sorry, I lied. Everyone come in. I need to show you something. Come here. Come. Ignore everything I just said. Come closer. I want to show you what we're going to do next. Can I have some volunteers? You two? Perfect. So you're going to go over there. So we're going to do a lead pass, and we're also going to have a target in front. So we're going to have to make a target so someone has something to throw to. Basically, you put your hands down in front, make a diamond. Can everyone do that for me? Yep, that's perfect. So Matt over here, I'm going to run to this cone with my target out in front, and Matt's going to throw in front of me, lead aim in front of me, so that, yep. See how he threw where I was and I had to reach back? But I go to here, okay, and then Matt will run to this cone. Perfect. See how that, he had his aim out, got it, and then there'll be 3 people, so now Jimmy rotates, just like that. And now Matt will run, Jimmy will go. Does that make sense to everyone? Make sure to get the target out and throw in front of them. All right, when I say go, get in groups of 3, 1 group of 4, go. Was that whistle loud? Because it kind of hurt my ears. Thanks. Okay. All right. You guys are a group of 3. Jacob, Danny, Cole, you're a group of 3. You 3 are 3. You 3. All right. Nick, go with them and be a 4. Oh wait, no, I lied. Yeah, you stay here.
We're
All right.
all good.
Y'all just.
I'll be down here.
Yep.
5-star.
Good target, Jimmy. Yeah. Here we go. Taylor, I want to see that target out sooner. Yep. Good lead pass, Matt. So I can see. Scott, I want to see that target out as you're running. Yep. There you go. Yeah. Do you want to throw a little bit more in front of her? Oh. Almost. There you go. Good job. John, I want to see that target so you have somewhere to throw. Ben, just like John, hold that target out so he has a place to throw it. There you go, just like Ashen. Good job, Ash. Ashen. There we go. Yep. Good job. Good throw. Yeah. Yep, good step, good follow through. Matt, make sure to step with your throw. All right, class, hold the balls. Come over to me. Yep, come over to me. Come in. My children, come closer. Okay. Chop, chop. Chili, chili. Thank you, thank you. So next, we're going to be playing a fun game called handball. Does anyone not know how to play handball? Well, I'm going to... Okay, there you go. I was going to explain it anyways. Thank you, Taylor. Yep, cool, got it right this time. So handball, there'll be two teams. As you see, there's two goals as well. Basically, the premise of the game is you're going to be passing the ball back and forth to your team, and you want to try and throw the ball into the goal. The goal is between the two cones and below the white line where like starts paint. When you catch the ball, you cannot move. You can only take a few steps to slow down. Like basketball, you can pivot on one foot, but you cannot move it, so you have to pass. This will really bring in our lead passes because you're gonna have defenders, so you're gonna have to get out of the way to catch it. Basically, that's really the game. You just pass back and forth and score a goal. It's a turnover. If you drop the ball, it is a turnover and the other team gets the ball. If you catch it, like if you intercept it, it's your ball and it's a turnover. So everyone pick someone their same like skill-wise. Play rock, paper, scissors. Losers will be green, winners will be blue. And go. Okay. Hey, can you move those cones up to the red line? Just straight up. You get a good high five. Oh, winners is blue, losers is green. They stole my balls. Hey, Tyler. 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 Listen to me. Hey, Tyler. Can you move the green cones up to the red line? Yeah. Yep, just straight up. That's perfect. All right, it'll be uneven, I think. There's enough pennies? Should be. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 7. One of you guys need to go over there. Yeah, there you go. Okay. You guys the loser side? So you get the ball first?
Yeah.
Remember, guys, you can't run. You can only pass the ball.
Are we using those ones?
Yes. No, this one's easier. All right. When I blow the whistle, go. And there's no goalies. So no one should be standing directly in front of the goal. All right? Go. Oh, yeah.
Suffocation defense right here.
Wow, look at this energy. Yep. Come on. Ooh. Hey, Ben, can you put on a penny, please? Ben, can you put on a blue penny? There you go. Oh, blue ball. Got you up. Oh, turnover. Shoot it. There you go. 1-0. Good job. All right, guys, hold the ball. I'm gonna be adding a second ball. So now you have two things to pay attention to. Here you go, Cole. All right, go. Careful. Shoot it. Oh, oh! That's 3-0. Okay, that's 4-0. Come on, Blue. Yeah. Let's go, Blue. 3-1. Oh! Intercepted. Oh, oh, oh! Oh! Oh, come on, guys. That's 4-1. Oh, 4-2. My apologies. Blocker, blocker. Ah, 5-2. Oh, oh, with the sidearm. Oh, 5-3. Careful. Oh. Ah, 6-3. Block him. Block him. Yeah, Scott. Good block. Remember to hold your targets out. Let's go. 5. All right. Next score wins. Block him. Oh. All right, guys. Good job. Can you please grab the cones and the balls and throw the pennies in a pile over there? All right. Thank you. We're not finished yet. Still gotta say goodbye to you, my lovely, lovely children. Can you guys bring those pennies over here? Thank you. And meet me by the whiteboard. Take a seat, please. Chop, chop, chili, chili. Come on. I want to eat my lunch. All right, class. Once everyone gets here. Yep, almost there. Yep, good job, good job. Cool, cool, cool. All right, class. How'd you like the lesson? A little bit of handball. Enjoyed it. Now why did we hold at that target? There you go. Good job. Next week we're gonna work ourselves into a little football. It's been a lot of nice throwing, and still the target will still apply. And yeah, that's all I got.
All right. Grab a seat. Grab a seat. Quick.